When was the last time you actually took a real break? Like a real break, not TikTok for 3 hours and calling it a break. Doom scrolling until your eyes hurt? Not a break. Binge watching 6 episodes and feeling like a zombie after? Definitely not a break. Lying in bed thinking about emails you haven't replied to? That's a meeting in your head. If you feel worse after, it didn't work. So today we're talking about something we all need, and most of us still do wrong: how to actually rest. We live in a world that rewards constant output. If you're not hustling, grinding, building something, it feels like you're doing life wrong. But we're tired all the time. Tired from work, tired from people, tired from pretending we're not tired. And when we finally slow down, we don't know how. We treat rest like laziness. We think stopping means falling behind, but it's maintenance. Chapter 1. What we usually do. When we're tired, we go straight to the usual stuff. You pick up your phone and start scrolling without thinking. Play a game for hours. Fun? Yeah. Better after? Not really. We tell ourselves, I'll relax after I finish a few things, and the list grows. Get in bed, check your inbox, and your brain clocks back in. We call it a break. It usually isn't. We get up just as drained, sometimes worse. Chapter 2. What real rest looks like. Real rest isn't one thing. Here's the test. If you feel more human after, more grounded, more like yourself, that's it. Try this. 10 minutes of silence, no phone, a slow walk, no goal. Do something creative just because. Sketch a bit, write a bad poem, laugh with a friend, not venting, just laughing. Say no without guilt. Not tonight is enough. Chapter 3. Why we avoid it. Rest feels unproductive, and we've been taught unproductive equals worthless. If it can't be measured, monetized, or posted, it doesn't count. But you don't have to earn rest. You don't have to justify it. You're human, not a machine. And even machines shut off sometimes. Seriously, taking a break isn't falling behind. It's getting yourself back. You can't drive on an empty tank and act surprised when you stop. Same with you. Rest isn't what you do after everything's done, because it never is. It's what keeps you going. So rest on purpose, no shame, like a pro. You're not lazy, you're human. And yeah, even superheroes sleep. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and watch the next video on being productive without stressing yourself out.